having a strong character. At the end of the day, this is what matters. And really, ACP has taken this initiative that is a wonderful job. It is serving the humankind, is serving the society. There is no greater service than this. So, thank you so much. It is a selfless service one can ever provide to the entire generation, I feel.
I've got to learn so much that now it is reflecting my own school career. That means it has improved me so much from within that now I feel that yes, now after joining this ACP session I have become a better teacher.
बच्चों के लेवल पे जाके ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग करने से पता चलता है उनके सामने खड़े होके बोलना इजी है बट उनकी जगह पे जाके समझना दैट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट. तो वो चीज एक कैसे उनको समझानी है एकदम इजी वे से उनके लेवल पे जाके दैट आई लर्न फ्रॉम द एसीपी प्रोग्राम फ्रॉम द 2 last days.
When I joined ACP, at that time I was only a teacher in my subject also, but now I am being a facilitator in my subject too, and that has improved my performance as a teacher also.
Good afternoon to one and all present here. I am really very, very thankful to ACP because it is doing a wonderful job. It has brought about a change not only in the students but in myself too as a person. When I go through the slides, I myself introspect as to where do I stand and what kind of a person I am and what changes I would like to bring about in myself and my students. Secondly, I would like to say that the year two program was also fabulous. I should say it is covering up a lot in detail. And the training which both the sirs and yesterday also Jyoti madam, both the days were excellent. They provide us with so much of insight. Uh, Today, after giving the demo session, we came to know that we really need to work very hard as facilitators. We need to be very observant. I myself felt that, the insight what both these sir, Surat sir and Darshan are having, we are not having yet. So we just hopefully, I just hope that we also gain the same insight with practice, how to go about with the students. And really, the way the slides are designed, they are fabulous. There is a lot of thinking process which has gone behind designing these slides, and I would just like to salute the entire ACP team for you are doing a wonderful job. This is the need of an hour, I feel. To most important thing is to be a good person, being a good human being, having a strong character. At the end of the day, this is what matters. And really, ACP has taken this initiative that is a wonderful job. It is serving the humankind, is serving the society. There is no greater service than this. So thank you so much. It is a selfless service one can ever provide to the entire generation, I feel. So I'm really very grateful. I don't have words to describe how I feel and what a kind of work you are doing. No one will ever be able to describe the greatness of this work. So may God bless all of you for the wonderful job that you are doing. Thank you so much. And I feel very glad and happy that I'm being a part of this particular program. I would have missed a great deal if I wouldn't have been a part of ACP team. So thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I'm very, very grateful to all of you. Thank you so much.
Good afternoon to all. I am extremely so proud of this ACP session. Myself, Farida Patel from Sri LG Haria School, Jamnagar. I am very much associated with this program since 1 year, and it is lovely. And the whole ACP team. I will share my today's experience. Yesterday, it was with Dhananjay sir and Jyoti ma'am, excellent mentors, and I've got to learn so much that now it is reflecting my own school career. That means it has improved me so much from within that now I feel that yes, now after joining this ACP session I have become a better teacher. The way I'm teaching now my children, that makes a lot of difference, and the credit also goes to Darshan sir. Darshan sir, thank you so much. It is really I'm so lucky to have you as our mentor, And I will always be grateful for guiding me so much, helping me if I'm losing somewhere. And yes, I will not forget to thank our principal sir, Mr. Dhaval Pat. He's one of the wonderful person, and he has always encouraged me. Hey, Farida ma'am, do this program. It will help you a lot, and I'm very very thankful to him for his trust in me. So yes, I cannot forget Dhaval sir and for all his guidance. That's all, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Kajal Vajirani here from Sri Vashisht Vidyalaya. The 2 years journey with ACP has been great, and the 2 days that we spent with ACP, learning about the second year modules, it was very great. Being this person, being a part of ACP, I'm not only teaching my students, but it has groomed me also. When I joined ACP, at that time I was only a teacher in my subject also. But now I am being a facilitator in my subject too, and that has improved my performance as a teacher also. Like I am able to bring most of the qualities to my students. So thanks to ACP for that. And it is really a great initiative taken up by you people to inculcate all the values in our students. Thank you. Thank you very much,
Good
sir.
afternoon to all. Myself, Savita Bhandari from Rajkot, Gujarat, Innovative School. And from last 1 year, I have joined SCP program. And it's a very nice and learning experience for me from the last 1 year. And this year, I get trained for the year two also. And I'm very much happy being a facilitator also, and at the stage of a student within 2 days. I have taken a lots of brainstorming. I worked for that because it's बच्चों के लेवल पे जाके brainstorming करने से पता चलता है उनके सामने खड़े होके बोलना easy है, but उनकी जगह पे जाके समझना that is very difficult. तो वो चीज एक कैसे उनको समझानी है एकदम easy way से उनके लेवल पे जाके, that I learned from the ACP program from the 2 last days in my training session. My all colleagues also here, and from Darshan sir, Surat sir, thank you to all the ACP team from our school, from me. I'm a keep on learning for this, and I want to be such a program to each and every school. Even I belongs to Punjab, and I have also completed education from my army school. But at that time, we are not having such programs for ourselves. But now I am very much happy that I am being a part of this. I am sharing this and I'm giving this to my kids, to my students. Thank you, SCP team. Thank you, Darshan sir. Thank you very much.
This is Jhalak Thakur from Delhi Public School, Hardi, Vadodara, Gujarat. And I had been experiencing a very nice and very informative workshop here, both the days. And as such, today we had a demo class, so it was very interesting knowing about the explorations. And as well, I also, as a facilitator, I played a demo here. So a wonderful experience, and we keep looking forward. Thank you.
Myself, Hardevi Mansinghani from Sri Abhi Patel Angel Senior Secondary School, Anand, Gujarat. And my experience with the program really wonderful and interesting. I'm really very much thankful to this ACP program. The way it is designed, its slides are so wonderful, so interesting that we are able to impart to the students during such pandemic conditions also. And my very much thanks to Darshan sir, who is really giving us such a wonderful guidance and how to trigger and how to play a good role of the facilitator, that we really understand today very nicely. And thanks once again, thanks to SCP program and the Darshan sir and Suraj sir. Thank you very much, sir.